Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 3. Koko, here, this place. Soko, there, that place. Asoko, that place over there. Doko, where, what place. Kochira, this way, polite form of koko. Sochira, that way, polite form of soko. Achira, that way over there, polite form of asoko. Kyoshitsu, classroom. Shokodo, dining hall, canteen. Jimosho, office. Kaigeshetsu, conference room, assembly room. Oketsuke, reception desk. Ruby, lobby. Heya, room. Toire, otiarai, toilet or restroom. Kaidan, staircase. Erebita, elevator, lift. Isokareta, escalator. Kuni, country. Kaisha, company. Ochi, house or home. Denwa, telephone or telephone call. Kutsu, shoes. Nekotai, necktie. Wine, wine. Tobacco, tobacco or cigarette. Oriba, department or counter. Chika, basement. Kai, guy, the floor. Nankai, what floor? En, yen. Ikura, how much? Yaku, 100. Sen, 1,000. Man, 10,000. Sumimasen, excuse me. Digozaimasu, polite form of des. Omisite kudasai, please show me. Ja, well, then, in that case. O kudasai, give me please. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. God bless.